Okay, so the first grooming tool is the curry comb. So you have to find a dirty spot, like right here. You can zoom in on that, like disgusting spot on him. So you just take your curry comb and do it a circular motion. You can see all this like gross hair coming off and the dirt coming off and stuff. Look at how much hair just came on that, because he's really like dirty. So that's how you use a curry comb. Okay, the next tool is the hard brush, and how you use this is you just wipe off all the hair and dirt that came off with the curry comb. Or you can just, you don't need to use a curry comb before this, but you basically just use this to get all the hair and like loose dirt off it. Okay, that's how you use the hard brush. That last brush is soft brush. Hi. And okay, this is just to get like the dust off of him. So let's see if he's dusty. He's not that dusty, but you just like flick it off, and actually you can see some dust coming off like that. Okay. Pick, so you can see it on this donut. So you need to go right by his shoulder and just slide your arm all the way down until his ankle, and he'll just pick it up for you. So this one's relatively clean. I don't need to use the pick because it's clean, but I can use the bristles just to get this thing out. You should stay away from this area right here. Let's call this frog. And it hurts him if you go there with a blade. So that's how you do that. Let me see if there's a dirtier foot somewhere. No, I think they're all clean. Yeah, so that's the hoof pick. Then for each, you do the same things. So you can just pick whatever you want. I'm going to do this because he has a relatively like naughty tail. So how you do this is you just grab his tail and pull it to the side so he can kick you, and then brush it down. And the good thing about horses is that if you were to like yank their tail, actually that's not, just forget that would hurt, but yeah, like this, like just rubbing, like doing all this around doesn't hurt them. Like they can't feel pressure, like. So yeah, and the mane is the same thing. You just want to make it easier because it's not as long, and so it won't be like as naughty. If you're not already just doing this, so you just take it with your hand and brush it out. And when you're done, you have a clean pony. Ah, oh my god, we have his eye. What the heck? Oh, okay. Okay.